Hello everyone, my name is Aziz and today I'm going to be presenting the IT project control for my Teach 1 assignment. So to begin with, I'm going to be starting defining the project control. So the project control are the data gathering, management and analytical processes used to predict, understand and constructively influence the time and cost outcomes of a project or program, through the communication of information in formats that assist effective management and decision making. So in my topic, I'll be focusing on the phases of the project management. So the project execution is a component of project that are completing plans, managing project resources, encouraging the teamwork, communications, issues management, and quality control. So the purpose of the project control are to monitor the progress and to correct the actions. So the phases of our project management. So first, let's begin with the implementation of electronic health record. The EHR can be broken into 5 broad phases. So each of these have been explained by using an outline that been provided by Claudia Bivar. So the phases are the initiation, planning, execution, control, and the closing phase. So first is the initiation phase. So to define that, it is where the project is selected and defined. And the following are a list of tasks that a project manager should undertake during the project initiation phase. First, to educate your organization on EHR and the project, to determine the owners and stakeholders and have buy-in, identify subject matter experts in each area considered, understand the environment today only on the high level, describing the organization by bed number, type of care, acute, long-term, etc., and the types of patients. Also to describe service that been provided today, uh, that we have to know the difference if more than one environment is involved. And lastly is to list legacy system in place. The third phase is the execution phase. So in this phase, managers do 6 different kinds of tasks that include completing plans, managing project resources, encouraging the teamwork, communicating project progress, managing project issues, as well as conducting quality control. So the list of tasks to do in this phase are to conduct, coordinate, and manage the ongoing work activities, to perform the quality assurance activities continuously to ensure project objectives are being met or are being achieved, to monitor identified risks for trigger events and implement containment um, or contingency strategies as necessary, and to manage changes too, and lastly to distribute information to project stakeholders. In the execution phase two, the communication is an important key activity of the project manager in this phase. So the status reports are prepared and sent to designated sponsors. So these reports should focus on 4 major questions. Um, so tasks must be completed on time. So if not, what is needed to do so? and what is next, and lastly, issues interfering with tasks. The fourth phase is the control phase. So in this phase, the performance of the projects must be monitored and measured regularly to determine variances from the project plan. Um, so the list of main processes that can happen during this phase are the scope change, control risk monitoring and control, the cost control, and the performance reporting. In this phase two, the project manager is monitoring project outcomes and associated risks. And the last phase is the closing phase. So it is the last major process group of a project's life cycle. Um, so the activities that might be included in this phase are completing the closeout of any contracts, subcontractors, product vendors, document licensing and warranty for systems, sign off customer acceptance, attach a site completion sign offs, and close out of any financial matters. To conclude with this topic, so the use of project control will help in measuring the performance against what was originally estimated. Also, it helps in managing expectation, and it is a valuable source of data collection. Thank you so much for listening. You guys have a great day.